Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Chairperson Jong Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, ka agatha ke sangma kalaong baka commission badipit bania banthaw ya ka standard operating procedure ban pensisha bagi Khynnah ki Pule Shabar ka jilla kidei ban pentip la ban kado baha ubana ya yong menta usnem arngut gi Khynnah na Meghalaya ki laklat no na ka jingbam ya ka bam balasniu ha ka skul ka badan hati kagepura Madhya district Karnataka. Bungut pat kilalet sha sumar ha hospital hadin bala ai ya ki bam ki balasa na ka jingle huli. Kasangma kalaong baka commission kala pelong ya ka jingelang balawan da ki Tnat baper kum ka Tnat Pule puthi ki pulet ka Tnat ka kot ka khya labor ka Tnat an banthaw ya ki rukom trekam baki de ban but din Shuwa ban Phah ya ki Khynnah Shabar ka jilla kalaong ru bahalor ka jing e ka bajur ha ka baki Khynnah ki lalit Shabar ka jilla da kalinti babian ka commission kalasham badan kam ban pelong ya ka jingelang bat ki Tnat Sorkar baper bandan ka jing pinkhre jingmut bat ban lumbi ki jing ai jingmut na ki kenhun baper.
For me, Kumno was the chairperson and she has done a wonderful job. She has streamlined so much in the past and it has really made things easier for me because she streamlined many things for us, and I have a very good team here at the commission, and most of the work that's being done is in collaboration with the wonderful team that we have. We have a great member secretary, Mr. Mscpcr. We have very renowned members in the commission, and we are working collectively in various issues when it is concerned, especially with children. Now, very recently, you must have also obviously known and heard about the cases where children are being taken to other parts of this country, and they're being lured into a situation where they're being promised free education, and they're being sent to institutions. Now, in some cases, it may be true that they are benefiting from it, but very unfortunately, in Karnataka, we witnessed a case where 22 children were food poisoned. They succumbed to food poisoning, and 2 out of which succumbed to it and they passed away. Now, these kind of situations we need to take very seriously, and a sort of a mechanism has to be created to ensure that such incidences do not happen again. So just yesterday we had a meeting, the commission, we called for an inter-departmental meeting at the secretariat, and we had representatives from the health department, from the labor department, from education, and also from the law department. We had called the police, but there was nobody from the police department that came to represent themselves at that meeting. And we had a very interactive and a very brainstorming session about how we can create a sort of an SOP or a prerequisite before these children are taken to outside places. Many so-called NGOs who are not even registered are sometimes taking this initiative of taking children out of the state, and when incidences like this happen, nobody takes responsibility. We need to make sure that when children are being sent, they are being sent to proper institutes, legally established institutes and legally registered hostels, and they are being kept in good condition, in the sense they are being given proper food, they are being given proper living conditions. Recently, there was another case where 22 children from Meghalaya were found in a mutt, run by some person, and they were found to be living in extremely bad conditions. They didn't even have a bed to sleep on. There were no proper toilets for them. They were not being fed properly. So we need to know where our children are. We need to work towards a mechanism where we can ensure that if children are going out of the state, they are going to a safe place and they are going to actually benefit from it. And unless we come and coordinate and collaborate, it's not going to happen. The commission on its own cannot create a mechanism like this. We need to do it with other departments. So that was what the meeting was about yesterday. Once now we compile the report from yesterday's meeting, we will be able to create a document that will suggest what the way forward to ensure that children do not have to face the situation, and they will be sent to proper places and proper institutes, and they cannot be sent just to not legally established institutions. Yes.